I got you. I'm gonna show you some tips so you can get you some crop tops. Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to style crop tops for curvy girls. Okay, so here's the first look, the yellow crop top with the striped wide leg trousers. I actually got these pants from New York & Company. I don't even know how much they were, but I know they were really inexpensive. Where it hits me at the waist and where the crop top ends, you just see like a little sliver, like a little bit of our belly button. It's really cute. This is an easy outfit. And the second look, here is the striped orange and white crop top. And I'm wearing these with some high-rise Jamie jeans from Topshop. And you know, I was kind of unsure about the print on the duster and then the stripes in the crop top, but I think it looks really cute. But you can also do a white crop top if you don't like to wear so many patterns together. And here is my last look, my favorite look. I thought this was such a cute look because it was really sporty. Now these pants are super long, so I'd have to wear a heel with them unless I got them shortened, but I think I'll just keep them this length and just wear a heel with them. And I feel like it's almost unexpected a little bit. I don't know, I'm really into it. So those are some of the looks I put together for styling a crop top on a curvy girl. But I have some tips for you to keep in mind when you're shopping for your crop top. Listen up. First thing, sizing. Size up in your crop top. In my case, I wear a size medium. I usually size up to a large in my crop top. I know you wear a size small, you don't want to go up a size, you feel like you're gonna be fat, don't worry about it. Size up in your crop top, it'll look much better. You don't want it to look like it's shrunk in the wash or it's too tight for you or you're wearing your little sister's onesie. Size up in your crop top, I promise you won't regret it. The next thing I need you to keep in mind is what you're gonna be wearing with your crop top. The rise in your jeans or your pants or your slacks or whatever it is. You wanna stick to a mid or a high rise. I'd say don't go below a medium rise. And maybe even if the longer your torso is, you could even go a higher rise. You know, some of these high rise jeans are super high rise. So depending on your torso length is whether you can decide to go mid rise or high rise. Don't wear a low rise. It's not cute, no. You don't want it to be too short, or when you sit down you're uncomfortable because you're having low rise jeans and now your crack is hanging out. You don't want any of that. You want to be comfortable in your clothes, so when you sit, when you stand, when you're walking around, you don't have to constantly fidget, because people notice those things and it shows that you're uncomfortable. So those are the things I think you should keep in mind. I think those are really great tips, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the outfits. Comment below, let me know which one was your favorite. If you feel comfortable wearing crop tops now, if you didn't before, let me know. Please subscribe, rate, comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.